guys? It's GC3 here with another video. It's been a while. Had a lot of stuff going on right now. I do apologize. Y'all know I always hit y'all up with another great video. A few weeks ago, I sent y'all this message that I was going to do the Pachyrhinosaurus from Disney's Walking with Dinosaurs 3D. Or I've never seen the movie. Heard it was okay, but I don't feel like hearing animals talk all weird. I'd rather watch Disney's Dinosaur, which is so much better. But, so, what I'm going to do, as you already seen, I got my primer on. I put a mouth on. From what he had in the picture, he had no mouth. It was missing. My son was given this toy by a member of our church, and it was kind of beat up. Had no mouth, of course. So I'm going to touch it up, and I'm going to make it look like Disney's dinosaur, but that Pachyrhinosaurus. Of course, this would be my young Pachyrhinosaurus, and we're gonna paint him that color scheme, with the kind of orange, with a little bit of beige, and almost kind of not exactly like a turquoise green, but like a turquoise darkish green blue. Here's the picture right here so you can see. And that's what we're going to do. So let's get on with the video. He was supposed to be done today, guys. The sealant, I guess I left it out too long. This is what happened. So, it's okay. It's a fail. But, we're just going to touch them up with a little bit more color. But this time, we're going to put a little bit blue in it, like a lightish blue. And see where it goes from there. Enjoy. What do y'all think? When I did it, it had the sealant that I used. I left it out too long and I put too much on. What gave it, as y'all saw, you know, it turned it basically white. That was my fault. But, however, he looks so much better and a lot more accurate of what I wanted to get. I wanted to do this dinosaur, as you see the mouth as he goes by. I wasn't leave that alone. Okay, all right. I always loved that Pachyrhinosaurus from Disney's Dinosaur. I always liked that color scheme. I don't know why. There's just something about it. Even when I was little and I saw the movie, well, they finally made Pachyrhinosaurus figures. We had to wait several years, but they finally did it. And this was a perfect opportunity. So this is what I did. I had put Milliput on his bottom jaw because he had no jaw. And I formed it to give him that beak style, as you see. And I used a, not exactly like a turquoise green, but it actually came out turquoise, and that's kind of what I wanted. And as in the pictures of those Pachyrhinosauruses, yes, some of it looks gray, but then there's certain angles of that movie where it looks almost like a bluish color. But and on the back, it wasn't exactly a perfect color pattern, or I guess where it has that golden color on his back. So what I did is I just dabbed it all over the place to give it this effect, to make it look like it transitions into his body, which looks phenomenal, by the way. And in the face, I try to get it as close as possible, but I added a little bit more vibrant of a color. I got it close, but let's just call this a young Pachyrhinosaurus. And the front, as it comes around, in the movie it has a kind of like a brown with a yellow with a hint of orange in it, but it's kind of scattered everywhere. But I kind of wanted to make it more of a solid color. I got it pretty close, especially on the bottom jaw, where it kind of meets it here in the corner. But he looks awesome. He looks really, really good. And at the same time, I also did, at the same time I was doing this one, I did another one. So let me show y'all that right now. Well, what do y'all think? I did an adult. I have another Pachyrhinosaurus to do. I'm going to do it exactly like this. And this one, same thing I did. I did the primer. I did that almost like a aqua green, and then I put that blue on it. Same thing with the back. I did that the golden color on the back. The horns, I did the horns like a gray. The whole face, same thing. I used a yellow orange. Then I put a little bit of a hint of a lighter orange on it. And then also I put a brown, but I dabbed it in more. And of course the eyes, the nose, and the horns here, everything looks fantastic. I think he looks really, really, really good. So I have the adult, and I have the baby one, the young Pachyrhinosaurus. So let's put them together like this as they go around. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've given y'all a video, but I did one for y'all, and then also a little surprise also. I did a young Pachyrhinosaurus and an adult Pachyrhinosaurus for y'all. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Keep subscribing, keep showing me some love. Our channel is only growing. Thank y'all so much for everything. Y'all seen how I've grown throughout, I guess, since last year in my videos, my paint. I don't have a airbrush machine, but guys, thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Keep the support. Let's try to get up to 5,000 subscribers. Comment, leave a like, anything that you want, just leave it in the comments for me. I got more along the way. I got another, like I said, I got another Pachyrhinosaurus to do. We're going to do some safari shots. I got some more animals to repaint for y'all. I got another Stegosaurus to repaint for y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the next video.